Let's now go over to the tax settings for WooCommerce. We have sub options. We're going to start with the first one, which is tax options. To keep it really simple, rather than me having to go through setting up individual taxes for all of the different regions around the world, I will say that my prices are inclusive of tax. And if you were going to use tax and your prices were exclusive of tax, then you could go in and set up a standard rate. You can increase the classes you have available. Now, by default, the standard rate will already be there, so you don't need to add it in as a line. But if you were going to say that your prices are exclusive and you want to further expand, you can do so. My recommendation is that you probably go for, say, one of these. So let's say you went exclusive, and you might have like a standard rate, so you could clear these out if you want, and then test it out. And once you realize or you speak to your client about any additional taxes you need, go and add them in. We are warned though about inconsistent tax settings, so I'm just going to click use recommended settings. If you want to add a suffix such as including VAT or includes taxes, for instance, you can add that in here. We're going to leave that blank. Let's now go to standard rates. If I was going to have products that did not include the tax price, I would have inserted a row. You don't automatically get a drop down, but if you start to type in a part of the country you're going for, they will list down. So if I was to go for United Arab Emirates, it comes up as AE. It is always going to be 2 digits or 2 characters. So if you were selling in the United States, you would add in US, and you can definitely ensure you pick the correct one. So if I start to type in Arizona, that would pop up. I'm just going to remove this because my prices are inclusive. I'm not going to have any reduced rates, and I'm not having any zero rates either. But if you were going to apply this, so for instance, you may have a product where the zero and the reduced rate and the standard is applicable, for instance, for Arizona in the United States, you would go and add in your individual prices. So that's the tax setting for WooCommerce done.